Hi everyone! Let's make Korean marinated eggs or Mayak eggs. On your boiling water, let's add vinegar and salt and then add 6 eggs to cook for 6 minutes. The marinade consists of soy sauce, water, sugar, garlic, red and green chilies, scallions, sesame seeds, and that's it. Mix. Soak your cooked eggs in ice water for easy peel and then marinate your eggs overnight in the fridge. And that's it. You're done. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment below if you get to try this recipe. Maraming salamat! Tayo! Enjoy!